Alright, I did the math and AI has officially taken over half my job. I mean, not in a scary way, but in a I can't believe I used to do everything manually type of way. See, I've been a YouTuber for over 5 years now. Before AI, every 10 to 15 minute video used to take me over 30 hours of manual effort. Everything from typing out an entire 2,000 word script to researching different topics and editing every single frame. Nowadays, thanks to AI, not a single one of my videos has taken me more than 10 hours, which still might sound like a lot to you, but is a massive 67% decrease. This gives me an extra 40 hours a week to put towards other things, whether that's making more videos, building new skills, or just having a life outside of YouTube. And so in this video, I want to share with you some of the ways that AI has made my job as a content creator a lot more efficient. If you're curious to see how powerful AI is getting and want some ideas on how you can be more productive with it, keep watching. Now, the tool I use specifically for generating and planning content is Higgsfield Supercomputer. And trust me, this thing is really powerful. Not only can it create cinematic videos and visual effects, but it also brings the entire creative workflow into a single platform. From brainstorming new ideas, to generating your own AI avatar, to getting AI to plan your entire content strategy. Everything happens all in one place, which I really appreciate because many other tools out there just focus on getting one thing done. For example, generating video clips. Okay, let me head over to my computer now and I'll show you all of this in action. So here's the interface of Higgsfield. There's quite a few different components and different features, but they're most widely known for their AI video generation. You might have even seen this one before. The popular baseball game trend where you can actually upload an image of yourself and it's going to show you at a baseball match. But today what I want to show you is something they've quite recently launched, and that's Higgsfield Supercomputer. So it's used to automate workflows, run agents, skills, and more. So I'm just going to click on Supercomputer up the top here, and here it is. Now, I've been using Supercomputer for the past few weeks now, and it's really helped increase my productivity. More specifically, there's 5 main areas I would like to show you today. So on the left here, you can see video generation, scripts and content writing, multi-platform distribution, content strategy, as well as creating a personal AI avatar. I'm now going to walk you through each one and share with you how you can get started with them. So the first is video generation. And no, I'm not going to be completely replacing myself and just posting AI generated content on the channel. Instead, what I need Higgsfield to do is come up with B-rolls. So when I talk in front of a camera, I'll need some supporting videos to visualize what I'm trying to say. This way, it makes it a lot more engaging for my audience. Now, before AI, I would heavily rely on a platform called pexels.com, where I would type in what I want, for example, laptop focused coding, and just download one of these free stock videos. Honestly though, you've probably also seen a lot of these videos over and over again on different YouTubers' channels. And when it comes to cloud computing specifically, it's pretty hard to find what I'm looking for. You can see if I type cloud, none of them really show cloud computing. And so what I love about Higgsfield and using AI video generation is I can just type in a specific description of what I wanted to generate, and it's going to create a customized video for me. In my case, I wanted to make a video on cloud computing and I shared with them my intro script. I then asked it to generate me a horizontal B-roll for this particular sentence, which is most people learn cloud the hard way. You buy a $200 course and never end up opening it. What Higgsfield then did was it started generating the video. It used the video generation skill in order to do this. And in the backend, it was powered by Gemini. This is not something I can find as a stock video. And so if you're a content creator, you should seriously consider generating your own B-rolls with AI. These videos can also come in handy when you're making any sort of work presentation where you need it to be more engaging, or when it comes to building a faceless YouTube channel. Now, aside from video generation, another huge bottleneck I faced was manually writing my own scripts. So again, if I wanted to make a video called Cloud Computing Was Hard Until I Learned These 5 Shortcuts, I would normally have to write all of this manually. Even when ChatGPT first came out, it was sounding very much like AI. The scripts were really short, they were unnatural, and I really just couldn't say it word for word. What Higgsfield Supercomputer has is something called Humanizer, where you can simply type in /humanizer at the start of your prompt, and it's going to make the result sound very human-like. Take a look at this for example. So I simply just had to share the introduction to my video, and asked it to continue my script. I'm not going to read through this whole script word for word now, but when I was having a quick look, nothing sounded like AI. So yeah, nowadays, thanks to AI, writing scripts is a lot faster for me. The humanizer skill comes in really handy, and in Higgsfield, there's a whole bunch of other skills. Anything from content creation to business and finance, creative and marketing, and even data and analytics skills. Definitely try them out for yourself and let me know how it goes. Okay, the third way AI has really helped save me time is in multi-platform distribution. So as many of you know, I don't just have this YouTube channel. I have an email newsletter, I have a LinkedIn profile, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. The biggest struggle is coming up with something really good for YouTube and wondering how to actually repurpose it for all the other platforms. What Higgsfield Supercomputer does is it can actually post things now on my behalf. I've asked it to turn this YouTube script into a condensed Twitter post. I shared with the whole script, and then here's what it came up with. What I'm going to do now is something you probably didn't know AI can do, and that's post this thread onto my Twitter account. Hit enter. Let's see how it goes. Cool, so as you can see, it's publishing the tweets. But let me quickly go onto my profile and verify that. I can click on view the thread on X, and wow, here it is. It repurposed my 2000 word script, it turned it into a Twitter thread, and it was able to publish it. Alright, now you might be wondering, how did I connect my Twitter account to Higgsfield? It's actually through their connectors feature. Here you can see a whole bunch of integrations available, and all of them you can install with just one click. Here's the ones that I've installed so far: Twitter, YouTube Analytics, and Gmail. I keep calling it Twitter by the way, but of course now it's called X. You can also connect to custom MCPs, so you're not limited to just this list over here. This YouTube Analytics connector in particular has been really helpful. Which brings me to the fourth thing that AI has really helped me with, and that is content strategy. So instead of hiring a business coach or a content consultant, you can actually use AI to do it for you for free. What I did was I simply asked it to analyze my YouTube channel and give me a content strategy for the second half of the year to grow my audience. And as you've seen earlier, I've already connected my YouTube Analytics to Higgsfield. Here's what it came up with. So it's done a quick analysis on my channel and had a look at the stats. It's even figured out my winning formula, which I didn't even know myself. For example, learning roadmap videos tend to do quite well. And my vibe coding tutorials have been getting really popular lately. It's also determined what's underperforming, like some sponsor reviews and some AWS reInvent boot chats. So after all of this, here's the suggestion. The first is doubling down on roadmap videos, the second is making vibe coding and AI engineering part of my niche, and the third is making sure that more of my subscribers watch me. Wow, it's even come up with a full content calendar. Pretty cool. Okay, so the final task I want to walk you through is creating AI avatars with Higgsfield Supercomputer. This is for those of you who don't want to show your face but still want to build an online presence. After all, channels like YouTube and Instagram can be a great income source. So here's what you can do. You can upload a couple of videos of yourself and ask it to build an AI avatar. Here's what mine came up with. 4 photos of me in different contexts. And it says my avatar is trained and ready to go. What I then did was I asked it to generate a YouTube thumbnail for me. Because in my case, making a thumbnail can take a long time, even if I'm using something like Canva. So here's the 2 that it came up with. I mean, I like both of them, but they're not really my style. Because if you take a look at the thumbnails on my channel, it's all following a particular theme. So what I have to do in this case is actually share an example of one of my thumbnails and ask it to make it more my style. It's still generating, so let's give it a few moments to complete. Okay, this one's looking much better and aligned with my brand. Okay, so that was a walkthrough of how I use AI to replace the manual parts of my job. Remember this, AI isn't replacing creators, but a person using AI can replace you. To make sure you're not getting left behind, it's time to start building and experimenting with AI tools. If you want to try out Higgsfield Supercomputer for yourself, I've left a link to it in the description below. Honestly, just start by picking a part of your job that's taking the most time and see if you can automate it with AI. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.